Hey everyone, my name is Shamu and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and cute heart nail art. And for this nail art, I'm using TS brand's Rose Quartz nail polish as my base color. And as my second color, I'm using the violet matte shade. To make tiny hearts, use a dotting tool. Just dip your dotting tool into the nail paint and add 2 dots over your nail. Join them using the smaller side of the dotting tool. Make sure you dip your dotting tool into the nail paint each and every time you apply it over your nails. And that's it. Finish it off with a top coat. This looks so cute and the easiest nail art. I hope you like this nail art and thank you for watching it. And meet you in my next video.